This video is for educational purposes only. The tools and techniques discussed are intended to promote ethical research and responsible use. Always comply with local laws and regulations when conducting OSINT investigations. Today, we're diving into the future of open source intelligence, OSINT. With AI, new social platforms, and a flood of public data, the old toolkit just won't cut it anymore. I've spent weeks testing and compiling 15 groundbreaking OSINT tools that will transform your workflow. Whether you're a security pro, journalist, or just curious, these tools are game changers. We'll break down what each tool does, why it matters, and how to use it for real-world investigations. Get your notepad ready. Let's supercharge your OSINT capabilities. Let's get started. First up is GeoLeap, a geolocation tool that goes far beyond basic IP lookups. It cross-references real-time data from Wi-Fi hotspots, cell towers, and public geotags, using machine learning to pinpoint locations with impressive accuracy. Instead of a single dot, you get a probability heat map of likely activity zones. For example, GeoLeap can correlate leaked Wi-Fi data to reveal a phishing campaign's true origin, not just its hosting provider. The interface is clean, transparent, and shows all data sources for verification. For any investigation where location matters, GeoLeap is now essential. Next is SocialSphere AI, which automates mapping digital relationships and sentiment across platforms. It unifies profiles, matching usernames, bios, and connections to build a complete social graph. The AI analyzes interactions, flagging strong ties or sudden fallouts, and even gauges sentiment. This is invaluable for threat analysis, recruitment vetting, or tracking influence within groups. Instead of sifting through thousands of posts, you get a structured, queryable map of human connections. SocialSphere AI turns social media chaos into actionable intelligence. CodeStalker is a must-have for anyone monitoring code repositories for leaks. It uses contextual analysis to spot secrets, API keys, passwords, tokens, even if they're not obviously labeled. CodeStalker scans entire commit histories, catching sensitive data that was deleted but still lingers. It dramatically reduces false positives and finds real risks. Red and blue teams alike can use it for proactive defense or targeted investigations. Continuous monitoring alerts you instantly to new leaks. In today's world, securing your code is securing your organization. DarkWeb Declassifier brings order to the chaos of the dark web. Its secure crawlers archive and index Tor content, letting you search dark web data safely from the clear web. NLP and entity recognition tag key info, wallets, PGP keys, reused usernames, breach discussions. You can instantly check if your company's data is for sale and pivot to see related threat actor activity. It provides historical and relational context that manual browsing can't match. For threat intelligence and incident response, it's indispensable. VesselTrack Pro is the new standard for tracking ships and planes. It aggregates global AIS and ADS-B data, offering years of historical movement and predictive analysis. You can analyze shipping routes, flight patterns, and even flag route deviations or dark periods. Geofencing and fleet analysis provide macro-level insights for journalists, NGOs, and security analysts. It's not just about tracking one vessel, it's about understanding global movement patterns. VesselTrack Pro brings unprecedented transparency to physical asset tracking. DocuScrutinizer is your forensic microscope for digital documents. It extracts deep metadata, recovers hidden layers, and detects digital manipulation in images and PDFs. The tool can even decode printer tracking dots, revealing the printer's serial and print time. Run a leaked PDF through it, and you might uncover the author, software used, and even deleted comments. For scans, it can sometimes identify the exact printer used. DocuScrutinizer turns every document into a rich source of investigative leads. It's a must-have for document-driven OSINT. VoiceGraph brings OSINT to audio. It automatically separates speakers, generates labeled transcripts, and creates unique voice prints for identification. You can match a voice across podcasts, videos, or leaks, even if the speaker uses different names. The public voice print library makes cross-referencing even more powerful. VoiceGraph also analyzes sentiment and emotion, adding context beyond words. For tracking key figures or verifying sources, it's a game changer. CryptoTrace simplifies blockchain analysis for everyone. Input a wallet or transaction, and it visualizes the flow of funds as an interactive graph. Its heuristics engine clusters wallets, de-anonymizes entities, and flags connections to exchanges, dark markets, or ransomware groups. You can spot patterns, follow illicit funds, and assign risk scores to transactions. It's indispensable for tracking scams, ransomware, or terrorist financing. CryptoTrace cuts through blockchain complexity to reveal the real story. For investigators, it's a must-have. AdIntelX lets you reverse engineer any company's online ad campaigns. It aggregates ads from major platforms, showing creatives, targeting, budgets, and performance analytics. You can track disinformation campaigns, identify shell companies, and see how narratives evolve. Its pixel tracking links related websites by shared analytics IDs, exposing hidden connections. AdIntelX uncovers the financial and strategic web behind digital influence. For market research or OSINT, it's incredibly revealing. DomainIntel reinvents domain and DNS analysis. Its massive passive DNS database tracks historical IPs, MX, NS, and TXT records, revealing infrastructure changes over time. Pivot on an old IP to uncover an attacker's entire domain network. Infrastructure fingerprinting clusters related domains by shared servers, analytics IDs, or SSL certificates. It's essential for mapping adversary infrastructure, even when who is private. DomainIntel exposes the hidden backbone of online operations. CameraSearch specializes in finding unsecured webcams worldwide. It filters by location, device type, and keywords, generating live previews for quick triage. For security pros, it highlights critical vulnerabilities. For journalists, it offers real-time event visuals. The tool doesn't hack, just finds what's left open. It's a stark reminder of IoT risks and a unique source of raw, real-time intelligence. Always use responsibly. ProfileContinuity tracks username changes across hundreds of platforms. It logs when users rebrand or try to disappear, maintaining a historical record of their online identities. Input an old or current username to see its evolution and link past actions to present personas. It's invaluable for reconnecting threat actor histories or confirming positive IDs. Even brief username changes are caught, revealing links you'd otherwise miss. It brings persistence to the ever-changing world of online identities. WiFiIntel maps wireless networks and analyzes SSIDs for investigative leads. Search a location to see all logged Wi-Fi networks, then scan for revealing names or patterns. Reverse BSSID lookups can map a device to a physical place using leaked MAC addresses. Track individuals by matching their device's probe requests to known SSIDs and locations. It's a powerful way to build profiles based on invisible digital footprints. WiFiIntel brings radio wave OSINT to your toolkit. ThreatFeed. Aggregator unifies hundreds of cyber threat intelligence sources into one dashboard. It ingests, deduplicates, and normalizes data from open and commercial feeds, blogs, and alerts. Correlation is automatic. See all mentions and context for any IOC across sources. Custom dashboards and alerts keep you ahead of emerging threats. For SOCs and incident responders, it's a massive force multiplier. Stay informed without drowning in data. AI Analyst automates the OSINT workflow using a specialized language model. Start a case, provide initial info, and it suggests and runs relevant OSINT queries. It builds relationship graphs, flags inconsistencies, and generates structured reports on demand. The AI connects dots, finds correlations, and suggests next steps. It frees analysts from repetitive tasks, letting them focus on strategy. The future of OSINT is human expertise, supercharged by AI. That's 15 tools redefining OSINT for 2025. The real power is in combining them, linking domains, locations, and social graphs for a complete picture. OSINT's future is a mosaic of specialized sources, and your job is to assemble the big picture. What tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this valuable, subscribe to Cybernexia for more deep dives. We're passionate about bringing you the latest in digital intelligence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.